Hi, dear students, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today, I will tell you the different states of matter. Do you know about these? Today, you will learn the different states of matter that are three states of matter, and you will learn about their examples, and also you will learn the properties and state changes in each state. Nearly everything in the universe is made up of particles. These particles may be atoms, molecules, or ions. Particles behave differently in different states. Solids, liquid, and gas are three different states in which particles behave differently. Here is an image you can see the it is showing the arrangement of particles in the solids. In the solids, the particles are closely packed together. They are arranged in regular ways and they vibrate around a fixed position. In the solids, the particles can't move, however, they can vibrate around a fixed point. Here are some examples of solids. You can see the bricks, metal, wood, ice, paper, chair, table, book, cotton. These all are the examples of solids. Here are some properties of solids. You can see that solids can't usually be squashed or compressed as their particles are very closely packed together. As they are packed together, so they can't be compressed and squashed. Another property of solids is about that they can't flow as they are in fixed shape. The third point about the solid is that the solids can expand as their particles vibrate if they are heated. When the particles of the solids are heated, when the solids are heated, their particles vibrate at their maximum positions. Fourth property of solids is solids can be malleable and ductile. The rows of the particles in solids can slide over when the pressure is applied to them, so they are malleable and ductile. Another question arises in your mind that solid state if exists, then how it can be changes into other states. When the temperature is increased, the solids can melt to form the liquids, and when the liquids are freezed, they again form the solids, so they are interchangeable. Here is an image shown to you in which you can see the arrangement of particles in liquids. The particles in liquids are close together but they can move around. The particles in the liquids are arranged in random way and touching many of their neighbors. So they are not arranged in regular manner. Examples of liquids are water, which you drink, the blood in your body, the oils like cooking oils, the oils for making different things for cooking and also for oiling your hair. These all are examples of liquids. The tea you take, the fruit juices you drink, the bleach you uses, all are the examples of liquids. Here are some properties of liquids that liquids can't usually be compressed or squashed as their particles are packed closely together. Second property of the liquids is liquids can flow and can be poured. Liquids can flow and can be poured from one container to another as their particles can move around and can move over each other. So they can be poured and liquids can flow easily. Here are some changes that occur in liquid. Liquid can evaporate. It means when the temperature is given to any liquid, It boils and it is evaporated and becomes the gas. And gases can condense back into the liquids, and liquids can freeze back and become the solids. So liquids can be converted into liquids as well as into solids, and solids can melt back into the liquids. So these all are interconvertible. Here is an image is shown at the screen. You can see the spaces between the gas molecules, and image is shown in which you can see the particles in the gas, their arrangement, and their spaces among them. The particles in the gases are widely spaced and free to move in any direction, and they are randomly arranged. They are not arranged in a proper way, they are randomly arranged. Gas examples are oxygen, helium, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, argon, and hydrogen. Gas properties are gas can be easily compressed and squashed because there are lots of spaces among the particles. So they can be compressed. S- Gas state changes is that gases can condense into liquids, and liquids can evaporate or boil to become the gases. This was the end of the topic. Thanks for listening. I will bring another topic for next time. Thank you. Goodbye.